remember to tell them. My name is Kamal. I am from class 8B. My birthday is on 26th December.
My name is Gulnaz. I am from class 6B and my birthday is on 7th January.
I am Ashri from class 6B and my birthday falls on 5th January.
I am Jatne Kamitoj from class 6C and my birthday is on 1st January.
I'm Sonia. My birthday is on 6th January.
I know love and joy is in the air. So adding to this joy, let's celebrate and acknowledge the achievements of all our Mondorites who have achieved various positions in various competitions. So for that I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, worthy Vice Principal and our respectable Enrichment Head to please come up on the stage. And let's appreciate a huge round of applause everybody for everyone, for all the mentors, teachers, friends, winners, participants. So let's start with Abhiraj from grade 6B, 6A, sorry, Abhiraj, are you here? Abhiraj, grade 6A, who won second position in inline skating championship conducted by CRSA. Congratulations, Abhiraj. We are proud of you. Abhiraj, congratulations. The next is Yuvraj Singh and Harmanveer from grade 8B who won trophies for grade 6 and 7 Oak House. Congratulations on Oak House and I request all the winners to please come up on the stage. Oak House Inter-House Debate Competition. Oak House participants, all winners of debate competition. Carol singing competition, everyone get ready. Maple House for grade 6 and for grade 7 Oak House. Congratulations Oak House. Carol singing Maple House. I request everybody to pass down please. Class now. I request everybody to settle down. Congratulations for debate. House for 6, Carol singing Maple House for 7, Carolyn from grade 7, Arshia 8 from grade 8, 3rd position, Ananya from grade 9, 1st position, Jessica from grade 8, 9, 2nd position, Narishita from grade 9, 3rd position. I request all 6 of you to please come up on the participants of online competition BizTech conducted by DCM Group of Schools and Lars and Brown Experiential Learning, Aditi and Abhinandan. Congratulations for participating.